Good morning, cousins. So this morning, let's do some home improvements, part one. And this is where we're going to go around and start, making the house feel like home. I have been in here for a month and some change now. When I tell y'all I am at the most peaceful I've been in a long time. That's exactly what I mean. But I know I already told y'all that before, so let's go ahead and see what we got today. The plant actually came out much bigger and taller than I thought. So actually, I love it. Thanks, Mom. On to another gift from my mother-in-law. Thank you. When I tell you guys, the house gets really freezing, especially downstairs. But on that third floor at top in my bedroom, when I tell you it feels like Hades or something going on. But when I tell you it's right on time, I need it to be ice cold. I'd rather be ice cold than be hot any day. And on to another gift that I'm so appreciative of. When I tell y'all, this house gives me so much anxiety with these steps. The boy wants to walk and play and be the most daringest devil, but it's cool. We got the gate. Thank you. And this next gift was so needed. Thank you so much, Aunt Tiffany. I literally threw every knife that was in that Jumanji apartment. I left it there. So it was needed. And when I tell y'all, this shit cuts like butter every knife. Y'all know I already done tried it. And again, when you just have the things you need, it just makes cooking just that much more fun. Okay, on to my next gift. When I tell you, this made me feel like, okay, I'm moving up in the world. A duster. I am like feather dusting around here. But I am loving every little gadget I have, okay? It's really making my home feel real homey. Now on to the gift that I have talked about for years. I guess I needed to get into this townhouse for me to get it because when I tell y'all, I have wanted one of these for a long time. Thank you, God, Mommy. And we finally gotten it. So y'all already seen me what I did with it, but they told me I need to put more fruit. I'm about to be a juicer connoisseur. That's what I'm going for. On to the next, we have these child safety locks. Thank God we needed those. Thank you, Cousin Aaron. If you have a toddler, I highly recommend to get these. But my best advice is just to not let him see you learn how to open it, okay? That's my best advice. Now moving along. So I had to let Babe do all the little things that I can't do because of course my man is about to leave. And he just got here, but okay, a little side chatter. To everyone who be like, oh my God, you're so lucky. I feel like this is the only thing that makes me unlucky is when he has to leave. But everything else I do not take for granted. I'm not sure what they think is I'm about to open up for them, but wish they back up. Excuse me, Diesel and Bridget. Thank you, Lando. These are like the rice, sugar, flour, noodle organizers. And yes, he also got us the broom and dustpan, so I don't have to break my back anymore holding the dustpan. Thank you, Lando. So last but not least, thank you, Cousin Charmaine. She got us this glass set. I love a matching set. I cannot stand when a shit starts having no tops and matching tops. So we're not going to let this set get like that, cousin. I promise. So in the meantime, between time, if you haven't, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And, catch me in the next video.